Hi all, welcome to the Tasty Affairs. Today we are going to do some freshly baked, home baked stuffed buns. So let's see what and all we need for making the buns first. So I have around 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of, this is instant yeast, this is not active yeast. So I'm putting it directly into the flour. If it is active yeast, I hope you all know the process. Take some lukewarm water, add some sugar and yeast, allow the yeast to come up, leave it for 10 minutes and then add it to the flour. So followed by, I'm going to add some sugar. So a tablespoon of sugar, then a little bit of salt, a half a tablespoon of salt, close to half a tablespoon of salt. And the next thing that I'm going to add is milk or water. That is your preference. So I'll be adding a combination of both, like a quarter cup of milk and a quarter cup of water. So water goes first. And if you think the mixture is still, not that wet, add some more, the whole mixture that you. So this is the texture right now. See, you can see. So I'm going to add some oil and I'm going to mix and make it like a ball and allow it to raise, to its double the size till it comes to double. So I'm going to do that right now. So, you don't have to add any additional dough at this time or flour at this time. But in the second, after it raises, you take the ball, you punch out, you add some extra dough. So I'll show you that process. Kept the pan for making our stuffing. So I have a tablespoon and a half of oil, any refined oil. So I'm adding a half a cup of red onion. So if you have a little more, that is also fine. I have a little more here to go. So that's the amount of onions that I'm going to put. So I'm going to saute this onion till they are a little pinkish. So you can see the onions have become a little translucent and pink. So at this stage I'm going to add our egg mixture. So I will add salt, but I'm just waiting the end to add the salt. So I've added the egg mixture in. Give it a quick mix. Reduce the heat because we don't want the egg to get scrambled pretty quick. So I'm going to reduce the heat. So the thing that I'm going to say now is quite optional. If you don't want it, you can completely skip this part. I'm going to add some cheese at this point. So you can add any cheese that you have. So it can be Parmesan cheese, but be careful when you're handling Parmesan cheese. It's really salty. So you need to make sure the amount of salt that you put in the Parmesan cheese. After you put Parmesan cheese, you need to be very careful to it. So this is the regular mozzarella, light mozzarella, because the kids like to pull the cheese. So I'm going to mix everything again. So I mix the cheese in. So I'm adding a little bit of salt, half a teaspoon of salt. So you can check your salt, add salt as needed. So this is like, the consistency is like this right now. So I'll make it a little more dry, one more stage drying, and then I'll stop cooking the egg. So you can see the texture right now. It's not that liquidy and not that dry. So I'm going to stop cooking at this stage. So we have to leave this mixture to cool down completely before we start stuffing the buns. So I'll show you how we have to roll the buns right now. So this is our, the dough that we kept for icing. Look, wow, it looks nice, right? So what I'm going to do, the first step is to punch out the air and the gas that is inside. See, you need to get it into this form. And then I'm taking this whole mixture. I put some flour on the surface. So I'm going to just put all the flour there. The dough goes there. Now, so time to start rolling making into a nice little more firmer, because this is like slime. So I have added this flour so that, the dough becomes little firm. Easy to make our buns or the balls. So I'm just rolling. We don't need to knead it or, stretch it and roll it like how we make our loaf bread, but at least a little bit of rolling is needed. So you can see the dough right now. So it's a messy process, but it's worth effort. So I'm just cutting the dough into equal pieces here. So that's my third one. It's sticky. So that's it. So I'm going to roll each of these like a ball into a ball, flatten it, use a ladle or hand, and then put the egg mixture in. So I'll show you one of them. See, as you can see, I just used my hand to stretch out the dough a little bit. So I'm going to add some filling. We don't want to add so much of filling. So that's good. So take all the corners, bring it to the center like this, like a closing. We are going to close the bun. Make it a knot in the center, turn it around. So this is how each bun has to be rolled. So once you roll the buns, you need to rest them for 15 minutes before putting into the oven. So you can see I rolled out the balls, I stuffed the buns, and I left it for resting for 10-15 minutes now. You can see everything. Look at the balls right now. They look good, right? So I'm not going to do egg wash. I'm just going to do a basic milk wash because I have stuffed the buns with the egg. So I added a teaspoon of, butter or ghee in the milk. So you can see here. So I'm just going to brush them on top gently. So I'll brush all the buns the same way. And I'm going to add some sesame. This is just for the beauty. So you like sesames on your buns. So there goes the sesames. So same way I'm going to egg wash the rest of the buns. So you can see I have milk washed all my buns, added some sesame on the top, and I'm going to set this in the oven for baking at 370 degree Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, and let's see how it comes out. So here we go, our freshly baked stuffed buns. Look how beautiful they are. You can do a butter wash if you want on top of these buns. I'm not going to do that because I just wanted to have it just like that. But if you need some more glazy, glossy feeling on your buns, go ahead and add brush with some butter on it. See how beautiful they are. There you go. See, there is a brown in the back. On the top, nicely browned. I hope you all enjoyed watching this recipe. Do try it out and please keep watching The Tasty Affairs and please subscribe. Thank you.